Another FFW.
Southern Westchester County in southeastern New York.
New Jersey, Rockland County in southeastern New York, Southern Westchester County in southeastern New York until 7:15 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Cranford, White Plains, Fort Chester, Dobbs Ferry, Tappan, Greenwich, Harrison, Scarsdale, Norwood, Rivervale, Rye Brook, Cluster, Hudson, Greenville, Irvington, Old Kenton, Hartsville, Harrington Park, Northville, and Ardsley. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.
What the heck?